Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. This is Shelby. Today we're going to be checking out this 1990 Chevrolet 454 SS. If you have any questions, make sure to email us or call us at any time. Come on up and let's check it out. This is a rare opportunity to own one of these most sought-after collector trucks on the market today. This truck only has 5,600 original miles, and as you can see, it is in phenomenal condition. When you look down the side, you'll notice that there's no dents or dings and that the body is aero straight. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see the body lines flow beautifully from the front to the rear. Come on up and let's check out the interior. It's done in the garnet red color scheme that's new like the day it came off the showroom floor. This truck doesn't even feel like it's been sat in. Looking across the dash, you'll notice everything is like new and all of the gauges are working as they should. The dash pad is phenomenal, and as we come on around, you'll notice that the seats and console are equally as impressive. This truck also comes with power windows and power door locks that are working as they should. Now that we've checked out the interior, let's make our way around the rest of the vehicle. When you come across the back, you'll notice that the rear bumper is like new and that the tailgate has the original decals that look amazing. The Chevy also comes with the bed cover. As you can see, the inside of the bed looks amazing. All of the metal looks clean and barely used. As we come along the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can check out the stance on this Chevrolet. The Onyx Black looks amazing on this truck, and it's a gorgeous finish. It's accented by the 454 SS decals on the side. You can also see that it has the original glass and looks amazing and is tinted. All of the trim around it is also in like new condition, along with the seals and the weather stripping. To finish off, the stance is sitting on the original 15-inch wheels with the Goodyear Eagle white letter tires. Now that we made our way around the exterior, come on up and let's look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, it's powered by the 454 engine that looks like it did the day it was bought. Everything has stunning detail with the correct air cleaner and breather. You'll notice that all of the inner fenders and firewall are in excellent condition. The 454 is mated to the 400 turbo transmission and 14-bolt rear end. It has a stock style exhaust with the cat and muffler along with the dual pipes coming out the back. When you look under it, all of the floors and frame are original and rock solid. Under the front, the suspension is in great condition along with the bushings. For brakes, it has discs on the front and the drums on the rear. This is a truly remarkable find and a great opportunity to own a beautiful collector. Thanks so much for checking out the Chevrolet with me. If you have any questions, make sure to call us or email us at any time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.